Hello, welcome to another video on our channel. And in today's video, we're going to make a withdrawal on Turbo Tether, guys. I wonder how the Turbo Theter is doing, right? Operations Theater? I wonder how the platform that was introduced to you here in December is doing. Look, here's a screenshot of the main message on the website. The accounts now that new accounts, folks who sign up get a $5 bonus. It's valid on the platform, guys, and the Turbo Tether that was introduced to you here about 40 days ago. That's right, the platform of 2024. Will it still be paying in 2025? Let's put it to the test. You'll find out all about it in today's video. All right, let's click on my account so we can go to our account. That's right, platform from 2024. Will it still be paying here in 2025? Let's do the test. You'll find out all about it in today's video, okay? Let's click here on my account so we can go to our account. We're already here inside our dashboard. I have it here. So, $92 in USDT, BP, 20 guys, and I want to withdraw it to my Binance. I have my Binance email open, and I want to withdraw and show you how to do it in this video. If Turbo Tether is still paying, how do we make the withdrawal? Come here, look, the Indian. And look, here it will show the balances you have. I have a little bit of TRX, there's Tether TRC 20 here. But I have here, the largest amount in Tether is USDT BP 20. Are you remembering that with Turbo, you can withdraw every day? There are no withdrawal restrictions, okay guys? There are platforms that only pay out on Mondays, only on Thursdays, or just on Fridays, but not Turbo. You can even make withdrawals at any time as long as you have the minimum withdrawal amount. Okay, I typed in $92 here. I'm going to click on withdraw. Look, my wallet is already going to show up here. BP20. Withdrawal fee of 4%, and let's go ahead and process it. Hey there, the page is going to reload. Okay, it's done. Look, it says here that I can only make one withdrawal per day. Okay, the withdrawal has already been made here. Let's check the history. It already shows up here, look. Amount $92, but it hasn't been approved yet. There's still no transaction hash, so Mr. Goldpot is going to pause the video at 11 hours and 37 minutes, and let's see how long it takes to get to our Binance. Hey everyone, hang in there guys, I'm just letting you know that I have returned. Take a look at this, $88.32, a total of has been successfully deposited, so it arrived in my Binance paid by Turbo Tether. Let's see how much that is. Hey everyone, here guys, we are going to convert, right? Convert dollars to reais. Right now. All right, 88 and 32. So let us proceed.